As the question says, two particles of masses m1 and m2 are joined by a light rigid rod of length r. The system rotates at an angular speed omega about an axis through the center of mass of the system and perpendicular to the rod. Show that the angular momentum of the system is L equal to mu r square omega, where mu is the reduced mass of the system, defined as mu m1 equal to m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2. Now here we are having a rod that is attaching two particles of masses m1 and m2. Let m1 is greater than m2, then center of mass will be shifted to the left side of the center. So let that axis be this one. Now we all know that in such a two particle system, suppose we take this distance as d, then the distance from m1 will be m2r upon m1 plus m2. And similarly, when we will be calculating d2, this one, then it will be m1r upon m1 plus m2, right? So that is what we are going to use in this question now. Let us first calculate the angular momentum due to m1 mass of the system. That will be mr square omega, where m is the mass of the particle itself, r is the distance from the axis, which is d over here, so it will be m2r over m1 plus m2 whole square into omega, and that is omega. You can remember this formula. You might be remembering it from the beginning itself, that L is equals to mr square omega for the particle. Okay, so we got from here that m1 m2 square r square omega upon m1 plus m2 whole square. Similarly, let us find the angular momentum due to m2 mass, which will be m2 into the distance square, that is m1r upon m1 plus m2 whole square omega, giving us m2 m1 square omega r square upon m1 plus m2 whole square. Now marking both of these as 1 and 2, we can have the net angular momentum as L due to m1 plus L due to m2. So adding both of these equations, we get it as m1 m2 m1 plus m2 into r square omega upon m1 plus m2 whole square, giving us mu r square into omega.